Hello, everyone. I am back. I am back. I am back. I hope you missed me for a few days. I took a quick vacation, but I am back and stronger and better than ever. I have been secretly working with a team at Annie Mac Home Mortgage, and we have secretly created a coaching portal for real estate agents. Okay. Doesn't matter your affiliation, doesn't matter if you're affiliated with me, doesn't matter where you affiliated, what brokerage you're affiliated with. We wanted to provide all real estate agents with coaching and education that they often say that they are missing. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to Stephen Trye at Annie Mac Home Mortgage and Megan Siegel for helping me to deliver this product to agents all across the world. Okay, let me share with you some of the screens and some of the events that we are going to host as a part of this coaching portal and launch event. Our launch event is on January 5th, 2021. We are bringing in the new year, striking, hitting, using our baseball bats and swinging and hitting home runs, right? So we're going to start right off the bat with a platform launch event. And simply, our website or our event simply says, would you like to learn how to take your real estate career to the next level? Are you ready to increase your production and expand the market share of your business? We are offering real estate agents a complete business development suite and technology platform at absolutely no cost. Okay. Stephen and I are sponsoring this platform and this development suite through Annie Mac Works. Okay. You should join us on January the 5th at 8 a.m. Sorry, that flyer on the screen is wrong. It's January 5th at 8 a.m. I'm just noticing that it's incorrect. And we will send out Eventbrite links for you to register. You must be registered in order to get the Zoom event information. So it's going to be January 5th, 8 a.m. for our orientation and our launch event. Okay. Then we're getting right into a certification. You can join us and earn your renovation certification on Friday, January 15th from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Yes, and complete certification within an hour. You must register on Eventbrite again. The details are at Eventbrite. I've added an extra half an hour to the event because we're going to do some networking and icebreaker events, okay, during our session. This is the first certification that we are offering, Annie Mac Mortgage and Beyond Inner Growth. Please register. It's free. We're going to help you to be able to explain and offer renovation loans to your clients. That is one of our first certifications. That is our first certification. I'm sorry. Next, we're going to go right into coaching, business coaching, the Fitzpatrick formula. Again, it is free, 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 free. You must register. It's a 6-week program. The first week will actually be an introduction on January 22nd. Then we'll get right into it January 29th, February 5th, February 12th, 26th, March 5th, and March 12th. At the end of this session, you will also get a certification or certificate for completing the program, okay? 6-week program on becoming a super producer, working together with like-minded professionals from all across the country. Coaching and accountability. I talked to a realtor this week and she was missing coaching and accountability. I am proud to introduce this portal and this website suite to all agents, no matter affiliation. No matter where you are in your career, if you are in year 1, month 1, week 1, or if you are just getting started, like you just got your real estate license and you don't know what to do, I am proud and excited to invite you to these events, and to become a user on the portal as well. But you'll have to attend our launch event to get the information. January 5th at 10, and I'm sorry, I'm reading the screen. January the 5th at 8 a.m. Tuesday, January 5th at 8 a.m., we will launch this portal and give you all of the information that you need to become a user and a sharer. Yes, I did say sharer of this portal. You will be able to share this free resource with all of your realtor friends. If you are a broker, you can share it with your brokerage. If you are a team leader, you can share it with your team. Stephen and I are bringing the heat. We're bringing the knowledge. We are bringing the coaching to real estate agents across the world. We feel so strongly about educating realtors, no matter the affiliation, that we have partnered to put together this website and to get you guys started. Get every agent trained, every agent educated, every agent knowledgeable and developed. Career development, professional development, personal development. We're going to help your work-life balance with this website. So join us on Tuesday, January 5th at 8 a.m. and we will see you soon. Thank you for tuning in. I am back. Look for more videos. I shall be on YouTube throughout the day today. Thank you.